Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arlene. So today's video is going to be unboxing of my September Boxycharm. Right, so let's get started. In this box I have this card, Boxy Baddie, and what's in here are all the products and their prices. So the first product that I have is Sawyer Diaries Eyeshadow Palette by Cure the Complexion Authority. And this is the product, and these are all the shadows in it. It's so beautiful. I love this product so much, and the packaging is very gorgeous. It's like marble packaging. It's really good for traveling. And this palette is worth $34. It's a good deal. Alright, the next product that I have is, this is from MAC. I know, it's ridiculous. It's from MAC. It's called Eyebrows. It's Eyebrows. It's in the shade Spiked. And this is the product. This eyebrow pencil is worth $18. Next product that I have is from ColourPop. It is in the shade Mess Around. It's an ultra satin lip. Ultra satin lip is the best product so far from ColourPop that I tried. I like this. And this again retails for $6. The next product that I have is called Loose Blush by Studio Makeup, and this is the product. I love this because what's in here, there's a like cover, so it's not gonna be messy inside. You just have to do it like this. Yeah, so that's the fourth product, and this again retails for $35. Next is a face perfecting brush from Bare Minerals, and this is the product right there. And then there's like a little, like in the middle, you probably put the foundation on it and then just apply it. Cool. So this brush retails for $28. Then the last product that I have is from Brigio, Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and this is the product. This product retails for $20. I heard a lot of good reviews on this product, so I'm so excited to try this. So the total value of my Boxycharm for this month is $141. Yeah, it's amazing. For those who don't know what a Boxycharm is a beauty subscription, and then you'll get for $21 and you'll get 45 full-size makeup worth 100 or more. Now for this Boxycharm that I have this month, it's worth $141. It's amazing. Now for the fun part. Now if you want to see the spoiler for next month, the first spoiler that I have here is this one. For next month's Boxycharm, they will include Becca Liquid Highlighter Popsicle Pop, or the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Popsicle Pop. You can see that. That is the spoiler number one. Spoiler number two, they will include Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. This product right here, and which costs $58. I'm so excited. And the last spoiler number 3 is they're gonna include Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint, one of these. So that is so exciting. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Mwah.